Hi, hope you are all doing well. Today we will present to you a special recipe that will help you cleanse the intestines and the liver. Ingredients: 1. Figs. Figs have many health benefits, including cleansing the intestines and the liver. You will need about 6 whole figs. You will need to chop them and make small pieces. 2. Dates. Dates also have many health benefits. Dates are suitable for the stomach and the intestines. You will need 7 dates. Chop the dates and make small pieces. 3. Apple. Apples have numerous health benefits. You will need 1 apple chopped into small pieces. You will need to add all the ingredients into a pot and add about 500 milliliters of water and boil the ingredients for about 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, your excellent drink is now ready. Now you can pour the drink into a cup and add a couple of ice cubes if you like, and some lemon juice, which is optional.